Hey guys, welcome to Codesmith. Now in this video I am going to solve a problem of reversing of an array. This problem is a part of an Excel sheet which contains 450 questions of data structures and algorithms. I will link the Excel sheet in description. You can download it and solve the questions from Excel sheet. Now this Excel sheet is very good. It was created by a YouTuber named Lovebubber, and I believe that if you solve all of these questions from this Excel sheet, you can crack coding interview very easily. So let's start with the first question, that is reverse of an array. Suppose we are given an array of length n. Let's take an array of 6 elements and the reverse array look like this, that is all of the elements are in reverse order. Now this problem can be solved by two ways. The first way is by creating a new array. You will create a new array of the same size and we'll run a for loop from the last element to the first element of this index of this array, and we will append each element of this array into the new array. This is how we will get a reversed array. Now the second method is we will take two integers, one starts from the first index and another starts from the last index, and we will swap these two elements of an array. So we'll swap array of I and array of j, and then we will increase I by 1 and decrease j by 1. So we will increase I plus plus and j minus minus. So now we will swap 2 and 5, then we will swap 3 and 4, and this is how our array will get reversed. So this can be done by this simple while loop, and this is here also pseudocode of this while loop. Now what should be the limiting condition? That is, while I is less than j, whenever I is greater than j, we want to terminate this loop, because we want this loop to run while I is at the middle of the array, and this is the condition. You can go ahead and calculate the exact value of I, for which how many times this while loop will run. Like I have calculated here, I is equal to n minus 1 by 2, and you can give that condition and check the program runs correctly. Now let's see the code, C++ code of reversing an array. Now you can do this by while loop easily. Now I will show how to do it in the for loop. In the for loop we can give two integers, we can declare two variables at a time. You can see that here, for integer I equal to 0, this now what I have done is I have created two integers inside the for loop and given a condition that I is less than j, and then incremented one and decremented another. Now the swap function will work correctly because we have included this header file which contains all of the functions. Let's try to run this code. Let's give input size of an array as 5 and array as 56912. Here you can see that I have not printed the array, so let's go ahead and print that. Now let's try to run this code again, and we'll take the same input. So you can see that array is reversed. Now let's try to run this again. Now we'll take even number of array. So let's take as 4. So you can see that our code works perfectly for even sized array and odd sized array. So you can see that our code will work perfectly for any sized array. Thank you.